Okay, hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today's question is going to be a long one, and it's about if you're an employee and you are on LinkedIn and your employer asks you to promote their company on LinkedIn, but you also want to promote yourself so you can eventually get a better job at a different company. How can you make this work without raising any suspicion and without getting beat over from your boss? So if you want to learn this, pay close attention. I'm going to reveal the entire secret. Now the secret is you always have to create own original content. You never want to share some of your company's posts. You always want to create original content because that's content that you own. If you're writing text posts, photo posts, or video posts, those are your own copyright and you can brand them however you want. Now the content that you're sharing should always be about you and your expertise and your knowledge, content that is aimed at people you want to impress who would hire you for your next best career opportunity. But then you frame that in a way of promoting your own company. Specifically pick topics that you want to be hired for, that don't necessarily has to be things that you're currently doing in your job. You're just showing off your expertise about a certain topic that would be useful in your next job. And then you are tying that back, you're framing this entire post in a way to promote your own company. You somehow make this relevant to your current company. Even if that's not 100% applied in your company, you're just sharing your expertise about a certain topics, and then you're framing this in a way how this is done in the current company, or how this is applied in a way how this company can help other customers to implement this in their own business. Now you have to be very careful that you don't make yourself too obvious that you're looking for new career opportunities. Every once in a while you also want to throw in some loyalty posts that can be something like praising your current company if they have won an award, or one of your products or services has been recognized, or one of your customer testimonials. So make sure that when you share something like this, it always paints a good light on yourself and on your current company. So it's always helping you to achieve both goals at the same time. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use LinkedIn really strategically for different reasons, if you want to further your career, find your dream job, or if you want to generate leads or customers for your business, make sure that you check out the link in the pinned comment below about my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I share all of my strategies and tactics that I use to make this work. And if you want to get more LinkedIn videos in your mailbox, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one.